Hey there, fellow pet lovers. It's your go-to guide for all things furry and fabulous. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate checklist for moving with pets. Moving can be stressful, but with these tips, you and your pets will settle into your new home with ease. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, vet visits. Make sure your pets are up to date on vaccinations and get a copy of their medical records. This is also a great time to ask for any travel tips specific to your pet's needs. Next, pack an essentials bag. Think of it as your pet's overnight bag. Include food, water, bowls, favorite toys, a blanket, and any medications. Trust me, having these handy will make the first night in your new place so much smoother. Now let's talk ID tags and microchips. Double check that your pet's ID tag has your new address and phone number. If your pet is microchipped, update the contact information in the registry. You wouldn't want Fluffy getting lost in a new neighborhood, right? On moving day, keep your pets in a quiet, secure room, or better yet, with a trusted friend. This minimizes their stress and keeps them safe while movers are in and out. Finally, when you arrive, introduce your pet to one room at a time. Start with a cozy space where they can feel safe. Gradually let them explore the rest of the house, and don't forget to maintain their usual routine as closely as possible. Familiarity is comforting. Remember, patience is key. Give your pets time to adjust, and soon enough they'll feel right at home. Happy moving, and give your pets an extra cuddle from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tips. See you next time.